Hello, friends. Welcome back to the Comfy Org stream. As always, I'm Purz. This is Julien, and I'm here with Phil. What's up, guys?
Yellow.
Chilling.
Chilling. So no big deal. Nothing happened today. No big deal.
I'm feeling like I'm on the cloud. Don't know.
Cloud 9, really?
Yeah, on cloud nine.
So yeah, Cloud came out today, everybody. Cloud.comfy.org. Clap, clap, clap to the team. It is really, really cool. Basically, $20 a month. Access to A100, basically 40 gigabyte GPU, like 8 hours a day of usage, and maximum length of 30 minutes per run right now as we figure it all out. Hell of a deal if you want to just play around with Comfy and learn how things work. We're still working on adding more and more custom nodes and adding more and more custom models, but we'll play with it today, show you where we're at and what's going on and how much fun you can have with it. And all the default templates, all the workflows, they are all pretty much there, ready to go already. So it's just, we're going to be adding more and more stuff as time goes on. I think even Filll nodes might make an appearance pretty soon, which is pretty cool. Yeah, actually, Phil, before we get into Cloud, let's talk about your week. What'd you get up to this week?
Yeah, I mean, if anyone's into the WAN ecosphere or like follows me on socials, honestly, like it's kind of everywhere at this point. Sorry, my video keeps doing weird stuff. Is my audio?
Yeah, the audio's fine. Yeah,
you sound good. Yeah.
Okay, great. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, this week we saw I'm gonna butcher his name, Matsuki something. I can't remember his name.
Oh, Ms.
Nom.
Yeah.
Yeah,
letters all backwards in my head. Yeah.
So Ms. Nom on Twitter released a really dope music video, and it's using WAN ATI. And to kind of get into it very briefly, WAN ATI is like a training like a fine tune of WAN that takes trajectories, and beautiful model. Like we've had it for a while, but the tooling wasn't there. And so this week I just took it upon myself to, when I saw that music video, I was inspired. I was like, okay, that's the last straw. Like I need to know how to do this. And so I built custom tools for Comfy in my node pack to manipulate trajectories. That was my week, and it kind of blew up and it's everywhere, but I feel so satisfied giving back to the community and then watching like it breathe like a whole new life into a model that like pretty much everyone forgot about.
Yeah, because it's based on 2.1, which is considered an old model now, even though it came out like a year, almost less than a year ago now. That's just the state of things now. But yeah, this is another one of those things where we get control of something and then artists get to play with something that they have control over, and all of a sudden it becomes art again. So yeah, we're hoping to have all the stuff on the cloud very soon to be able to do the ATI stuff, like sort of one-to-one with desktop. But right now, if you want to play with it, go grab Phil's node pack. And check out the ATI workflow. In fact, if you just follow Machine Delusion, no S, on X, you'll see in the pinned tweet there's a workflow, the links, the guide, and an image or video of how it all works is all right there. So please go check it out. And we are going to dive into that on Friday. Phil will be hosting, and he's just going to dive into that deep. And I'll be on a plane, but then I'll be back probably the Friday after. So yeah, you'll be in good hands for the next week.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, so exactly there's the answer, right? Any trajectory instruction. Yeah, I mean, in short, it basically just takes like points, moving JSON points, coordinates basically, and yeah, you can do some crazy stuff with it. So we're gonna dive into that next week.
I wish I could make it with you, Phil. It's just been so fun.
Are you both not going to be? Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
It's just me then.
Yeah.
It's just you, baby.
I'm at the Banadoco event in LA, so I will.
Oh, that's what's happening. Okay.
Yep.
Lots of events, lots of things going on. Everybody's busy. But yeah, friends, let's not even waste any more time. Let's just play with Cloud. So yeah, you can go there today, cloud.comfy.org, and sign up and play with it.
Can we just take a moment to talk about how awesomely easy it is to just like, I'm in Comfy Cloud?
So yeah, maybe before we even open it, like I was talking to you guys about this a couple streams ago, but I was without my PC for about a month and a half. Mostly working off of like an M4 Air, like a MacBook. And during that whole time, I had Comfy Cloud because I was testing it for release. And I really got used to it. I really got used to not using my GPU. I really got used to having my whole computer. Like when I got back to it, like, I don't know. Something super nice about just having Comfy in a browser. So like with all the other solutions, basically, you have to stand up a machine, and then that machine is running and eating GPU like time the entire time that machine is up. That's the time you're setting it up. That's the time you're not using it in between runs. That's the time you're setting up a run. That's the time you're getting your workflow to work. That's the time you're downloading the files off of the server. That's the time you forget to turn it off and go to bed and wake up the next morning and you have a $40 bill. With Comfy Cloud, you literally just the GPU hours are tracked on the jobs you run. So like Comfy just runs.
So powerful.
You just play with Comfy all day,
or let it die.
Yeah, or just leave it in a browser tab for 6 hours without worrying about incurring costs, which is, I don't know about y'all, but like I got a bit scatterbrained sometimes and or get busy with something else and want to come back 3 hours later and pick up where I left off without having to deal with it. And we got IMAX says cloud is cool, but we're missing a lot of the custom nodes I use locally. Yes, we are working on that to try to get more and more custom nodes. So this is just one of those things. As time goes on, we're going to get more and more nodes in the ecosystem. But it's pretty strong right now already. Like as far as just getting like basic workflows going and stuff like that, and exploring what Comfy has to offer. It's great. Oh, I should also mention the subscription comes with a $10 API credit.
I saw that
thing in your account. So you pay the $20 for the subscription, but you also get $10 worth of API credits to use with our partner models. I guess they're called partner credits now. But I mean, even if I didn't work at Comfy, I would think that was a pretty good deal. So
yeah, totally.
Anyway, so let's jump over there and have a look.
Yeah, it's cool because like, the environments are completely run and managed by Comfy org, but it's dope when I've done this. Has happened a couple times to me. I open Comfy Cloud, I right click to add a node, and I'm like, oh, they added more stuff, like more packs and more custom stuff. And so like, it's just kind of being updated under me as I use it.
Yeah. No, it's amazing. So yeah, friends, you're looking at now is literally me at cloud.comfy.org. I'll type that in down here. cloud.comfy.org. Go there, sign up, sign in. You're in. You will be greeted with a Comfy thing. It'll look a lot more like.
It's gonna have a default template too.
Sorry, friends. I loaded up a browser where I was also talking and confused the heck out of myself. All right. So we're back here. We're on the thing. What you'll see probably is something like this, where it's just like, what workflow do you want to play with once you log in? So this is it. What do you want to make? What do you guys want to do? We're here in the cloud.
I don't know.
Let's just make one or two of images, one or two.
You do like a Quen image edit?
Sure, yeah.
So I went to templates, I went to images, and I clicked on Quen image edit 2509. And boom, I have the Quen image edit workflow up, ready to go on a stood up machine, kicking it. You just run it and you're
just
done.
Run it.
Just run it. So let's replace the cat with a Dalmatian. Let's just run it.
There's
another thing we can do. Sorry?
There's a request for platypus.
Yeah, I bet there is.
Oh my God.
Let's use the big fat 20-step version. Isn't that what this one is? Oh, raw latent version. No. Let's do like 20 steps at CFG. What is it for? What's the CFG for Quen image edit? Do you remember? When you disable the lightning?
It's like 20 to 25 kind of vibe.
The CFG.
Oh, CFG, yeah, it's like 3.5,
like
4.
20 to 25.
I mean, if you want to absolutely nuke your image,
All right, let's try this one. Boom.
is it 2.5
So-
UMAC? That's crazy. I don't know.
Oh, is it 2.5? Oh, maybe, yeah. We'll
I mean,
know
just
if this
let it
comes
go
out
and
all
see what it looks
cooked.
like.
Yeah, we'll know. If this comes out
Yeah.
all cooked.
First observation, you don't have to choose your model. It's already chosen.
It's one of those
so
things.
once you
Go
load up
ahead,
the
go ahead.
default workflows, all the models are already pre-selected. Like you just hit run. And like as you can see, that's all I did. I didn't actually do anything. All that stuff I did at the beginning was just dumb stuff I do. You can just run.
Yeah, it's so funny because like I've gotten so used to using distilled where I'm just like, one CFG. Like, I've totally forgotten a lot of default model values on the CFG because I just don't care for it anymore.
I know. Use the distilled models and stuff. You're like, I'm not even cooking CFGs.
Yeah. With the edit models, it's interesting. I actually tend to find that if you raise the CFG, sometimes it like follows your instructions better. I've also done things like multiply the positive conditioning
Okay.
by like 1.5, 2. And again, that kind of is a similar effect. It's a little different because like if my CFG is 1, I want that speed benefit. The only really other thing I can do is multiply the conditioning to kind of just like make it follow my instruction a little harder. But it kind of has the same effect. It's like you push it too hard and you're just going to cook the image.
Oh yeah, maybe I'll do 4 steps for the runs. Oh, I also had 3 images in here, so that's fun. It's because I unbypassed a bunch of nodes. Derp. It is running though. Gotta love that 40 gigabyte GPU. So this is actually the super fun part about the cloud is like I don't have a 40 gig GPU. I mean, you guys do. But I have a 32 gig GPU.
Oh, this guy is.
So
Go ahead, Phil.
I was gonna like I haven't even experimented. This is literally just me like intrusive thoughts. If I opened up another tab, Purz, would that essentially like run? And it was a different workflow. Could I run 2 jobs in parallel? Have you tried that before? Under one account?
I have tried it in testing. I have not tried it in production.
Because I mean, that's really where the power of this is. You know, like just clone them out and just be like boom, 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 boom. And like, of course, you're gonna pay for those GPU minutes that you're rendering, but like in parallel, that's tight.
I think, if anything, I think there may be a concurrent limit if that even works. It's also possible that it is still queued up like one session. I'm not actually sure. I don't have a good answer for you.
No, I mean,
either
way, like
we'll try.
Yeah.
Like mine is doing a run in 2 separate tabs right now, but I think one of them is the same run. It's just showing me in the other tab as well. It's hard to tell. I would have to do 2 different. Replace the cat with a Dalmatian and replace the cat with a horse. I know you guys can only see the one tab, but I'll try them both in the same run and see what happens. But yeah, I think one at a time. I'm pretty sure they just queue up.
Ordinary said Doc said one at a time for now. But I mean, like, this is literally like day 1 release kind of vibes. Like it's only going to get better.
But this question will come up, Phil. I'm sure it's a good question.
Yeah, no, it's a very good question. And that's not to say that we might add that later too. I have no idea what the plan is there. So it did run both jobs, just one after the other. Like my other one was a Dalmatian, this one was a horse, and it just replaced it with Dalmatian. So if you ran 5 in 5 tabs, I think they would just queue into your queue. You could probably see that by looking over your queue. Oh, also, if you've done a run and you need to access to it again, it's in your queue on the left over here. So you would go over to your queue, and I need this picture of a horse. Right click, save image. Easy peasy. We're going to work on getting you access to the stuff you make in an easier way, but right now it's just in the queue. But it works. All right, let's bring this dog to life, shall we? Let's open up a 2.2 image to video. And then let's upload the doggo. Nice. 640 by 640. The Dalmatian runs full speed out of the room. Why not? Boom. That is so satisfying.
Yeah.
Just
I
load up
love.
a
I just love
completely
the.
different workflow and just run it.
That's what I love. The fact that you just don't have to remember. Okay, which LoRa do I need here? Which model do I need here? It's just run. I love that.
Yeah. Yeah. Totally. Yeah. I mean, someone like me, I'm really looking forward to like all the power user stuff. Kind of like like multiply my time.
Yeah.
That's like what
Yeah.
I'm really stoked for. But also like the absolute shareability, right? If Purz makes something on the cloud and he's guaranteed it worked on the cloud, there like the second he hands it to me, I can just hit go. I don't
can
even have
go,
to
yeah.
think. I just literally hit go, and
Yeah, the models are selected, and
It's yeah.
that's correct. You cannot upload your own LoRa's yet, but we're working on it. Obviously, that's one of the most requested features.
Yeah.
I want it myself.
Totally.
We just don't have it yet.
Oh wow.
And he's gone.
I'm out.
That is exactly what I asked for.
It'd be, the beautiful thing too is you could probably daisy chain these workflows really hard and just have it like, Quen edit, do the thing, right into one, do the thing.
I have, as a matter of fact. Yeah.
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 Oh yeah. Well, that's the other thing, right? Like, that's the thing I love about cloud, because I've been doing a lot of this myself. Whereas I'll go take this workflow, right? Delete all the stuff I don't need anymore. And I'll say, well, that's my input image. I got my prompt and that's my out. So then I'll do this. And now I have a WAN 14B image to video node, right? Send the prompt out and send the, width and height and length. That's actually probably enough. And then jump out. And then all of a sudden I've got this little node here. WAN 2.2 I2V. So now I can just take this guy anytime I need WAN 2.2. I can do the same thing with a Quen image edit. I can do the same thing with anything, and then just like attach these little workflows together and not even think about it anymore. Levitate, float out of frame. Do it. Okay. Okay.
Oh, you're muted, Phil. I don't know why we can't hear you.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, okay. He was close. He wanted to jump.
Yeah, he wanted to. He just didn't quite get there.
Basically, what I was going to say on the subgraph thing is like the beautiful thing about that is right now, if you were to hand me a subgraph you made on local, I would have to go in and switch all those model positionings. But you could hand me the most complicated nested subgraph workflow of all time.
Yeah, you'll never even have to open it,
and I'll never have to open it ever.
Exactly
on cloud. So,
and in production, it makes this easy. Like if you have a team of people that don't really know Comfy, just choose your image and hit run.
Yeah,
and just log in here.
All away.
Yeah, and it's easy. You don't see anything, no distraction, just pure results.
AI Menda Mensch says image comparer node is essential. Yep, coming. Yeah, that's in a few packs that I think are in the in the pipe, so to speak.
Yeah, I got to build one of those for myself.
I use the KJ one. It's really good.
Okay, does KJ have a comparing node?
What's it called?
Yeah, what is it called?
Let me tell you right now.
I've never seen that one before.
I think it's RG3, buddy.
It's on. Sorry, it's on RG3. My bad.
Yeah.
I was gonna There's one on MTB and one on RG3.
Well, shit, I gotta make one.
Yeah, well, the answer is to always add more nodes to different node packs.
I mean that.
Or just talk to Phil and ask Phil to add it to his pack.
That's. Exactly. I mean, my node pack. I'm glad you guys get value at it, but it's really for me. So I only have to install one pack that has everything I want.
I mean, I'm enjoying your additions.
Yeah, and then of course
Well,
it's like my own take on it, right?
he's not breakdancing even a little bit.
He's giving you the paw. He really wants that treat.
Yeah. No, I get it. I get it. All right, what else we got here? Let's have a look at some of the other workflows. We also have one Animate 2.2 in here, which is fun. We're working on adding the stuff to. Oh no!
Yes, I
Wow.
approve.
What? So
That's
the
that's
downside to
ridiculous.
cloud is like it remembers your
No, that's the default. That's the default.
Even
that's
better.
the default.
That's the
Oh
default.
God.
Oh my lord.
Sorry,
Okay,
everybody.
next context, use this image and make something funny of Purz.
So yeah, let's just show you guys how this works. So we're going to take this image here of this person turning around and make this little robot the person. And again, I haven't touched a single thing. Run. Can I use my one animate workflow, which has Florence 2 on it? Well, Florence. Oh, look at that.
Funny you ask.
Looks like a Florence node to me. The only thing we're missing
Mhm.
right now for one animate is the one animate preprocessor node pack from KJ, but that's coming. That's coming. And then once we have that, we won't have to do this manual retargeting thing that I'm about to show you guys. Yeah. Purz writing notes for himself. Change the default image ASAP. Yeah, exactly.
No, it's beautiful. It's
I
perfect.
think it's perfect. Yeah, I would not change a thing.
So right now this workflow is taking this and right now is using DW pose to go in and figure out the skeleton of this person. So we can put new bones on that skeleton and then put flesh around those bones and then paint that flesh. AI is weird, everybody.
That's not how you make a human, dude. I'm pretty sure.
It doesn't matter if the end result is correct, right? As if AI has taught us anything. Okay, so here, just to talk about this retargeting thing right now, if anyone wants to try this workflow, currently we've got manual retargeting. This will actually work as is right now, but what you would want to do normally is just stop this render and then grab this green point and put it on your subject's face. And if you can, shift to click to add a second one and add it to your character's clothing. So face, clothing. In this case, back of the head, shirt. What that's going to do is it's going to tell our software here where the red thing is, all this gray, ignore this gray. Where this green dot is, I want to mask all this. I want to mask all this. That's what these green dots mean. They mean mask yes, red means do not mask.
Yeah.
And that's the thing that it's going to replace in the video. So you're going to want to make sure that's correct. Because when we started, it just showed up on our back. I think it's just going to work. But this is a lot more important when you have like a picture of maybe a lot of people in it or things like that. You're going to want to mask the exact subject you want to change. Boom.
Look at that.
Superb.
Say
Superb.
it, MJ. Yeah, say it, MJ. Say superb.
C'est superbe.
Perfect.
Superb.
No, that was great. I can die happy now.
Yeah, very French.
Yeah.
Very, very French.
But look how good that is, though.
I know. It's so cool.
It blows my mind that we have this tech open source.
It's so funny. We always say, "Oh, this is local." This isn't even local.
Yeah, I didn't say it. I almost did, but I didn't this time.
Yeah, but
it is local for people who have the DVDs. Yeah.
This kind of goes to show, like, for the hardcore techies, we love. There's something magical about hearing the GPU, the engine spin up beside you, heat your hands on it and stuff. But at the end of the day, like, if it's being rendered on capable hardware and I still get to like truly noodle around, I don't care where it's rendered.
Yeah.
Not only do I not care, I while I'm doing this now, I can be rendering in Blender. I can be rendering in something else. Like the AI is not the only thing I do with my GPU. So like it's super nice to be able to free it up to do the things I do otherwise, Need a GPU simulation sound. Yeah, and it needs to heat up your house too while you're using it somehow.
It sure is, that's for sure. Or make the cats comfortable when they take naps around the computer.
Okay, so you guys can't see that. Let me try and bring in this video of me and Phil.
My nodes will be on the cloud soon enough, Adam. There's a whole waitlist process. So I mean, in due time.
We don't
Yeah.
really want Phil's nodes though.
We do.
We don't
No,
want them.
we're
need
good.
Them. We need
We're
them.
good. We're good, I think.
We
All right,
do.
I'm gonna replace Phil with me in this video, so that I'm talking to myself.
Just you versus you. Okay.
It's just me talking to myself.
I'll show myself
The
out
most
then.
narcissistic thing I think you could possibly do with AI. Well, I took this
Like-
video of you and me, and I made it me and me, bro.
The worst part about it is in the video we're complimenting each other, so it's just you complimenting
It's just me
you.
complimenting myself.
God damn it!
So you guys are going to be able to see what I'm talking about here once I run this workflow, because I've got the video in. Actually, this might not work at all because this video is super long. But let's see what happens. Yeah, flames around the edge of the canvas when the things are running. Yeah. We'll have to get the guy who made the Christmas lights add-on for Comfy to make us a Christmas version of Cloud.
Dude, I want the Droopy Noodles plugin.
Droopy Noodles. Yeah, Droopy Noodles should be standard on Cloud. It's crazy that it's not.
Wait,
Crazy that it's not.
Wait, is that a thing?
Oh, yeah.
Dude,
Jacob,
you gotta see it. It's so
Jacob
funny.
on our team, he built Droopy Noodles, which are your cables have a physics simulation, so they actually like hang
No
and like
way.
rest on things.
No way, that's crazy. I never heard about this.
It's
IMAC
really
asked if we
funny.
have to set the SAM points. We sure do. We just have to wait for it to finish doing the DW pose first, and then it'll pass this frame through. The cool part is, because it's already done this, after we run it again, we won't have to do this part again, but we are working on making this more automatic so that you don't have to do this manual retargeting. That being said, the manual retargeting is actually super handy and is not something I want to lose, because this is really good. Like, for what I'm about to do, this is really good because automatically it's not going to know if I want to replace me or Phil. Automatically.
And the creator of the Droopy Noodle just sent me the link. This is real. It's awesome. I thought you guys were
Nice.
messing with me. That's all.
Yeah.
Dude, it's ridiculous, honestly. I would never. I'm just gonna say that, but it's really funny to play with for a minute.
We were doing some tests with it. It's weirdly helpful, because the noodles actually, like, they would rest here. Like, if they were, they would actually rest on the corner here. So like nothing really falls behind stuff. So you can kind of still follow the noodle. It strangely works.
It's like a Euro rack.
Oh, I didn't change the resolution. Good stuff. Let's do that. 832 by 480. Guys, this is these are 40 gig GPUs. You can do like 1280 by 720, maybe 1536 by something. I don't know if they do 1920. I'm not sure. But again, it's 40 gigs. Like, it'll either work or it won't. So
Yeah, it'll
And
tell
if
you.
it doesn't work, it gives you a pretty clear error, by the way. Just
Yeah.
What was
exactly.
that? What was that error you posted first? Was that error?
Yeah. Every now and then when a server dies, it'll say RIP to the server you were working on.
Yeah, it's so good.
What did he say? GP noodles? Yeah, droopy noodles. Yeah, droopy noodles. Just in case your noodles aren't too firm and not droopy enough. IMAX said I was able to do 1536 by 1024. Sick.
That's pretty
Yeah,
good.
man. That's great. That's amazing.
Mhm.
And this
On a
model
video,
actually,
yeah.
like, I feel like that's the sweet spot. Like 1080p, or rather 720p really feels like the sweet spot for this model.
Mhm.
When you go to 1080, sometimes it's like
You're
Yeah, the
waiting around.
fidelity's up, but it does that thing that AI does where it's like, oh, I wasn't trained at this, so I don't really know what I'm adding.
Yeah.
Like detail wise to the extra detail sections. So
The motion also suffers sometimes.
oh, you were saying that, yeah, at
Oh.
a higher than 720p, the motion seems to be a little.
I mean, definitely for ATI. For the 2.2 series, it's better for sure. But like for the bonus, even when I run stuff at 1080, the bonus I get in fidelity, I kind of lose in motion because, like you said, it's not trained there.
Yeah. Sorry, this is going to take a little while, friends. The video I imported was 9 seconds. It will only actually render like about 150 frames in this workflow, so it won't matter. But normally what I'd like to do for workflows like this is use the VHS nodes load video node to trim my input so that it's the exact length and size and frame rate that I want on the way in. You can do all that with the loader node, which is great. But I've covered that about 1,000 times. Okay, here we go. So now I'm going to stop this workflow and retarget. So first I want Phil's forehead and I want Phil's sweater because I want this and nothing else. I don't want this. I don't, oops, I forget what the, oh, they're down here. Add red nodes, shift, and then right click to add red. Okay.
Just
how do you
delete
get
it.
Click new canvas. Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, that's right. You can't delete them, can you?
Oh, buddy. That's brutal.
And you already
So
have a
I
zero.
don't want, what is it? Shift right click? Yeah, I don't want him. I don't want his sweater, and I don't want the background. But I want Phil, and I want his sweater. And we're gonna change Phil into me, hopefully. So now I just run it again, which is just click run. I see it's just waiting for a machine, then executing workflow. Up here on the right is where it tells you like what's going on, and then over here on the left in your queue, if this is running, that means your job is currently running. Everything's fine. It might be crapping out, but it's running. So then you can either kill the job or you can just wait for it to finish. If you decide, oh, I want to try 1080p, and then you run it, and it's like, oh, this is going to take 9 hours. Like, just cancel it. It's fine. It's fine.
Because it's on
VHS
the
load
cloud.
image by path. No, load image by path is not available because the paths are not sane on cloud. It's something else, like a virtual machine that you don't have access to that hard drive anyway, so it doesn't matter.
Because we're on cloud, if you cancel it, this is something I haven't tested yet. Does it cancel immediately, or does it still wait for the next step?
No, it sends a cancellation to the task, and ideally it'll cancel right away. Yeah.
Nice.
Which is quite nice.
Another really cool thing they added silently and didn't really tell anybody is you can cancel API node calls now. Mid call.
What? How does that work?
You can send the API a cancellation call. When you hit stop, it will stop the API call.
Oh, that's cool.
Mm-hmm.
Does that depend on the provider?
I don't know. It's worked with everything I've tried so far.
Interesting. Because I know sometimes, like, I've seen Filll have cancellation post.
Yeah, like if they support it or whatever.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. It might also be we're just canceling. Oh my god.
It's like you're talking to like your great uncle or something.
That's so creepy. Like, come on. It even left the watermark.
He's good at it too.
I just realized I need to get the FPS and plug that in to the save video. No, create video. I just saw it. Am I blind? Oh, friends. I saw it. I swear I saw it.
Oh, it's behind like this node. Yeah.
It's on the it's on the video sampling and output subgraph. I didn't realize this was a whole subgraph. All right, so FPS, let's plug that in over here because the reason I'm plugging the FPS into this graph here, if you'll notice the audio is out of sync here because I'm rendering the video at 16 frames per second and the input video is like I don't know, 25 or something. But when I take the input FPS and just plug it into the output FPS, it makes sure that the sync is all the same frame rate. So when you render the video, the audio will actually happen when it's supposed to happen. So I'm going to cancel this and rerun it, and hopefully that will fix the audio. But look at that. That's crazy.
I don't think we can hear it first, but it's probably fine.
Is this?
Oh
animate?
yeah, no, it's just me. Yeah, one animate. Yeah,
yeah, dude, it's absurd.
I'm obsessed with this model.
It's one of my favorites for sure. I think it's the best thing that's come out in a while for open source.
Yeah, it's outrageously good. It's crazy.
Yeah, it really is.
And it's quite fast too, for how good it is.
So there's a few things there. It's fast because there's a lot of VRAM. So there's not a lot of model offloading happening. It just dumps the models into memory, does the work, and then goes away. When you do this locally, your machine has to fight with your system, has to fight with Discord, has to fight with Slack, has to fight with Chrome, and has to fight with everything else that's using your GPU and your memory to just ask, and wait for memory. Whereas with the cloud, this is all those machines do. They just load models and do distillation and inference. So, yeah, man, pretty cool.
So, really important question, DJ JKL. Which one of you is the therapist? I feel like MJ is.
I was gonna say I'm the one.
I think he meant out of this video.
No, I'm the one filming this scene, and I'm the one.
Oh, I thought you meant on stream.
Oh no.
So tell me about your childhood.
Anyway,
tell me about your childhood.
So anyway, why animate?
I had a traumatizing upbringing. Disco diffusion took 45 minutes a picture.
A person says Comfy Cloud 90% of the time is our IP server. I don't know if that's true because we haven't got that once, and we've been doing this for like over half an hour.
I mean, I haven't gotten that at all ever yet. But I mean,
it'll get better as time goes on, right? Like we're working on stability every day.
Yeah, I mean, this is as bad as it'll ever be. It's just going to go up from here.
What's up, Trent? What's up, Frank? What's up, iMac? What's up, Mr. Westrop? I love these names.
Yo,
Peter.
EMAC LTX when. I mean, hopefully soon. I'm stoked for that model. Really promising. It looks promising for sure. Mm-hmm. What, 50 FPS, auto regressive, probably up to like 2-minute generations of time.
Looks good too.
It looks fantastic. Dude, if it's native 4K, guys, that I mean, it would be a banging upscaler, right? Like that's what's going through my head right now.
Yeah.
If it's trained native 4K,
it can take input.
But we can just encode and load denoise the second it's open source.
I mean,
right?
yeah, I hope you're right. Like, I hope you're right. Like, we could just literally do it like we do everything else. That would be
right.
Great.
Exactly.
But
hopefully soon. I've heard at the end of the month, EMAC, but don't quote me.
Yeah, I mean, who knows, right? Hey, what's up, Galactus?
I hope they drop training scripts. I got to meet the LTX team in New York, and I was like, please drop training scripts.
Let us train.
Let us tune your model.
How did they react?
Well, they were asking me questions, and basically my point to them was, if you're gonna open source the model anyway, accelerate
all the way.
Accelerate the community's adoption by letting them tune, because that's what's going to push you over that edge of adoption curve when people are like, whoa, I can just throw my own data at this thing.
It's completely evident when you look at the one like ecosystem of the models they have released. Like, the community just takes that and runs with it. I mean, we're doing it right now.
Yeah, I would argue it extends to literally every model architecture. It never is fully adopted until the community can tune on it, you know?
Yeah.
Animate Diff was one of the outliers where only a very select few people were tuning on it, but the model was just so good with IP adapter that we just trucked through it. But
yeah.
And then, also you could tune 1.5 LoRa's and that would work with Animate Diff. So, I mean, it kind of is the same thing.
I'm gonna make you dance in my place, Phil. Yeah, this is happening. Just get used
Can you
to
target
it.
just your face? Can you just like try to in-paint me there?
We can try. Yeah.
I mean, I don't know how good Sam 2 is going to be.
832. Yeah, actually, that's a good question. Let's see what happens. What's the best scaling workflow? Scaling images first, then loading the upscaled images into the video, and then scaling the video. No. So upscaling video is tough because if you were just to say upscale every single frame in a video, it's going to look terrible because of temporal consistency. Each frame needs to lead into the next frame. So, say I had a frame of a blurry picture of a tree, and I dreamed in a bunch of details behind the tree. Then in the next frame, I've done the same thing. The details I've dreamed into that next frame are going to look nothing like the details from the first frame, which is imperative in video. The motion has to be kind of as smooth as humanly possible. So with video, you want to upscale through diffusion by doing low denoise upscales like over time. Even maybe incrementally, like at 1.25, like blocks of 1.25, 1.15, 1.1, like you can even go a little lower each time because that res is going to go up, like Phil has a lot of thoughts on this. And in fact, like, Friday and Tuesday would be a great time to ask even more and go even deeper on this stuff because like, like upscaling video. Yeah. If you try to think of it as a frame by frame thing, it's always going to look bad.
Yeah, you simply just can't, right? Like the only way to upscale video is with a video model.
Yeah.
That's just how it has to be because of temporal consistency. And we're close. We're really close. But getting from 2K to like, we can get 2K. I can natively diffuse 2K. No GANs, no, BS. But 2 to 4, that's the hard part. Native diffusion 2 to 4, that's when we always kind of fall short. That's why I'm so stoked and bullish on LTX. But we'll see.
Yeah, just dream it in one gulp. Would be nice.
Yeah, just like go 4K. Let's do it.
Okay, let's kill this and have a look at this new canvas. Let's try and just do the face. I feel like just doing the head. Actually, you know what? Maybe we take the red, right? And we do the outfit. And we also do the background.
I trust you. You're the artist.
He says, all right. So yeah, I mean, maybe, right? Maybe. I hope we don't just generate a nude Phil here.
Oh, that'd be something else.
Everyone send me $10. Let's go. Daddy needs a new t-shirt.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you just go into the queue and download the stuff you make. Yep.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
That's going to change, I'm sure, for the better.
Yeah, we're working on that. Currently, it's just the way it is. Use ultimate upscale with 2.2 text to video low noise only with a 0.2 denoise, and you can go to any res. All right.
As much as I agree with that, I also disagree. I mean, you can go to any res, but contextually you start to lose, and then then it becomes like I'm incrementing a little bit because I can't push the denoise too hard. I want to get more detail, but I can't because contextually it doesn't see the rest of the frame. And so like I love the ultimate upscale. It's really the only method we have, but the true solution is we need natively trained 4K. That's just kind of how it is. The whole latent needs to be 4K kind of vibe.
We also need 256 gig video cards. We don't have them.
Yeah.
And also, like, someone was asking, what is the exact workflow? Like, my name is, I don't care what my name is. It literally, if you look on the top left, it says video 1, 2.2, 14B animate. You can find it in the templates. Yeah, and under video. And then you can even type it on the search, or you can look for here in the list. That's Purz changed nothing.
It's this one right here.
Yeah.
This adorable little robot right here. Yeah, I didn't change a thing. Okay. Here we go.
Yeah, that's one of my favorite things is like new model comes out, template drops. Like even for the most advanced user, we all would love a starting point. That's
Oh
like
yeah, I don't want to
that's
build
the
this every
Yeah,
time. Are you kidding me?
we
like an
know
example.
how. You should know how. Like learn to do it.
But
But
there's no reason to have
exactly.
to know that
Yeah.
stuff. Like that's definitely something I have always tried to fight against in this sort of uh I don't want to say community, but this sort of technology is this like nerd badge of honor. Oh, I went through the trenches, so you should too. No way, man. Like I went through the trenches, I might as well make it easier for you, right? Just build a bridge for the next guy. Like I don't like that
Mentality.
get
Yeah.
good mentality because that's not what
Realistic.
making things is about.
Yeah, because some people are just scared to make cool shit, you know?
Oh my god, Phil.
Wow. Oh wow.
Yeah, one of them is good.
God
That
damn.
one, the cat one is good.
Yeah, dude. Jesus. The cat one is good. The cat one actually looks like me. Yeah.
Especially that frame.
Oh
Where
my
was
lord,
that frame?
dude.
New profile pic?
LinkedIn. Right to LinkedIn.
Straight up, that's where it should go. Nowhere
Mhm.
else.
Oh, that is amazing. That is actually super duper impressive.
That is impressive. Wait, so it's one video with cuts.
It's
Right?
definitely starting to fall apart.
Yeah,
Who's that
yeah.
guy?
I am degrading
Like
over
the fact that
frames.
it's survived all those cuts is insane.
No, I'm more impressed with Samseg.
With what?
With Sam. Like the
I know,
segmentation.
just
Like
sticking with it.
it tracked me over cuts. That's really impressive.
So now let's remove the
Or
let's
tracked
do
you
the
over
whole
cuts.
let's do the whole like the whole body and see if it can do your clothes as well.
Yeah, my dreads and stuff.
And someone was asking how do you download this stuff? You go to the queue and you can download from
Yeah,
the
over
queue.
here on the left,
Yep.
I would just download the video I just
There.
made. Yeah.
That's where it
Or
saves.
in this actual thing, you can download
That too.
the videos right as you make them.
Instead of Sailor Moon, it's Sailor Man.
Cinnamon.
Sailor Man.
Can it do 10-second videos? This workflow can only do about 4 seconds. But you see these video extends, you can keep adding these and going on. We are currently working on adding Kajai's One Video Wrapper stuff to work with One Animate 2.2 and the One Animate preprocessor, which will allow you to basically just make a video of almost any length. Like, you're probably not going to want to exceed 400 or 500 frames for each run, but right now, currently, that's the way it is. We're working on it. No downloading queue. Yeah, just right click on the if it's an image, you just click on the image. Just right click, save. I don't know why my right click's not working right now. Something hijacked it. I guess you have to drag it off and save it. New bug. Somebody go report that on the Discord.
Classic.
Any news on APIs to automate uploads and downloads? I don't think so. Julien made a 2-second video, 1080p one video ago. Yeah, on his machine. Yeah, he's got a 96 gig GPU though, so your mileage may vary. Is it running? Where is it? Oh, it's on Sam too. Let's go. I cannot believe it survived those cuts.
That's what I'm saying. Like,
oh, this is too good.
Like I know the render would, but Sam surviving those cuts is crazy.
Mm-hmm. He just doesn't care. I think I saw one, like a little bit of mask. Yeah, I see the mask every now and then during the cuts, but I mean, what?
Redux. What do you mean by that? We have Redux.
Yeah, it should be on
here. To cloud? It should be on here. Yeah, pretty sure it is.
Yeah, it's in the image models available. Let me check right now. Let me triple check for you.
Nice shorts.
Okay, that's kind of incredible.
Redux is here indeed. Under image.
Yeah, I think we're only seeing the mask because of the hard cuts, guys. Like, if this was a congruent scene all the way through, you wouldn't even see those masks. But like,
dude, the
I can't believe it's surviving.
Dude, God, so funny.
Normally, what you would have to do, right, is take all of those cuts and then slice up the videos and run each one separately, and then slap it all back together at the end. But it's like just going past the cut is crazy.
Yeah, one thing I've been doing on my own in Purz and MJ, this is kind of how I was doing that one animate I sent in our private chat, but I've been doubling up the reference image with a trained Juan Laura on the character or subject I'm trying to put in. And man, if you do that, it is like bulletproof. It's crazy bulletproof.
Yeah, and also the just like I take footage, I already have a frame from it. I use an image edit model to change that frame, use that frame as the reference image for 2.2, the changed frame, and then like you can even do the entire scene without like replacing the background, and it generally catches the whole room and like doesn't even like flinch at being able to do this. Like the amount of stuff that it can infer is crazy. It's crazy.
Yeah.
As new canvas. So we'll go forehead and we'll do that. Yeah, and then not for everything else. Okay, let's try to change this lonesome fella into Phil. Is there a Laura on this workflow? Yeah, just the like 480p distilled one, so that we can get these in about 6 steps or so.
The quality stays really high too with this Laura. It's awesome.
Mm-hmm. Oh, look at that! It jumbled up the Sora watermark. That's interesting.
Pretty sure my girlfriend has those shorts.
Not anymore. They're yours now.
I wish my legs were that thick, dude.
We'll get you there, man.
Yeah, I gotta hit leg day.
With all the skating you're doing.
You know, you would think it's more, that's like cardio toning. It's not like mass building. And for anyone who doesn't understand what I'm talking about, I'm talking about roller skating. It's more of a toning sport and not like a mass explosive building sport.
Mass building, not ass building.
I mean, why not both? When you hit render, just go squat, baby. Hey, what did that? Someone in the chat said you got 30 minutes before they cut you off on Comfy Cloud. You know how much you could do in 30 minutes?
Oh, wait. Who's that guy?
Wow.
Look at the reflection. The reflection stayed. It's funny.
Oh, yeah. That might be
cool.
The strangest amalgamation of us I've ever
That
seen.
is so disturbing.
It's a little puppet body.
Yeah, dude, I don't like that at all.
I don't blame you.
Those proportions are not right.
Oh boy.
How many times have I heard I don't like that whenever Purz makes something?
Too many
Love it.
times.
You know what? I don't like that.
Many times for you, MJ. You know
Oh,
what I'm
God.
talking about.
Yeah.
But yeah, friends, go to the templates, go play with image, video, 3D model, like, go play with all these, see what's missing, let us know, pop on the Discord and yell and tell us how much we screwed up, all the usual stuff. We want to hear it. We want your feedback. We want to know what you think, and we want to know how we can make it better. What's the difference between this workflow and the other one animate workflow you shared a couple weeks ago, Purz? The other workflow that I shared a couple weeks ago is the automatic one I was talking about, where you don't have to do that manual retargeting. We're working on getting that on the cloud as well, but it's just not there yet. That'll be really fun, because then you just basically drop input video, drop reference image, tell it the resolution, and hit go, and it'll render to the length of the video. So, within reason, like I said, try to keep it around 500 frames or less, or else, basically, if I had to explain it really quick, you'd imagine like every context window in WAN is about 77, 81 frames long. Every time you go 81 frames and then another 81 frames, another 81 frames, every time it does that, it degrades just a little bit. And then once you hit fourth or fifth, sixth, it starts to get like weird. So what you want to do there is chop your initial footage up so that it like makes more sense into like maybe 300 frame chunks or whatever, and then do your runs and then stitch it all together at the end and you're done. No worries. And this is something, I mean, we talk about this a lot, but go watch the movie, okay? I dare you to find a scene longer than 5 seconds, in almost anything, unless it's an important dramatic scene where people are speaking. Most shots are 1 to 2 seconds tops.
It is quite impressive. Like, I did do that exercise, and it's so true.
Yeah, just anything. It's just like boop, 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 boop. Like you don't realize how little they sit on stuff.
Did you watch? I'm not going to name it because I don't remember, but there is a show on Netflix with where each episode was full one scene. It was insane.
Oh,
it was
no.
It was one scene. It was 4 episodes. It was with a kid, and the kid is insanely talented, but every single episode was a full
adolescence.
Exactly. It was overwhelming, actually. My brain was
very disturbing film. Yeah,
very disturbing.
Go watch that.
Yeah, adolescence. That's
terrible stuff.
Okay,
but no, you should watch it. It's worth watch just for the technicality.
Yeah, I think every episode is like a one shot, like
literally,
it's like a theater play. It's like
completely incredible.
One bang. Yeah, it's pretty incredible. I've used WAN to composite creatures and objects into real footage and blending with After Effects. I've found using WAN to first remove a subject and then take that data for the background image in the embedding while using the OG image to replace character. Yeah, smart. Just get rid of you can out paint with, or rather paint things out with WAN as well, which is really neat. Yeah. Mix cameras with drones. Oh, for the show? Yeah, I did see that. It was like, it is horrible. You should watch it. Wait on, friends. Well, thank you so much. I won't be back on Friday, but Phil will, and you guys are going to have fun with Trajectory.
Don't miss that one.
Please go check out Phil's X, Machine Delusion, all one word.
Yeah, it's going to be a good one. And special shout out to the Comfy team for Comfy Cloud. It's a special day today.
Yeah, super fun to play with, and we can't wait to see what you guys make. So please drop it in content creation, and hit us up on the Discord. We're always there to chat and to hang out and figure out new stuff. So if you find something cool with Cloud or find something you don't like, please let us know. And amazing. Enjoy WAN ATI next week or next on Friday, and I'll see you guys all next Friday. And I believe not this Friday, Tuesday. Yeah, the Friday after, we'll be having Visual Frisson on with us.
That's a good one.
Dive even more into WAN 2.2 Animate. We're going to have to pick a different model. Yeah, I'm actually stoked for this LTX model to drop if it does, so that we can cover a different model for once.
It's just there's when you open the doors to video, there's just so much you can do.
I know. Yeah. Right on, friends. Well, have a good one.
All
Thanks,
right,
guys.
then. See ya.
Go forth, go play with cloud. Bye bye. Thanks,
Drive
Julie.
safe.
Thanks, Phil.
See
Yeah,
ya.
drive safe, everybody. Keep her between the snowbanks.